Timmy was getting ready for school when something strange happened. As he opened his backpack, an excited voice greeted him. "Good morning, Timmy," it said. Timmy, shocked, replied, "Ah, you can talk?" The backpack chuckled, saying, "Yes. And today, I want to take you on a magical adventure." Before Timmy could respond, the backpack glowed brightly and created a sparkling portal. Suddenly, Timmy was pulled into a shiny, magical world. He floated through a dazzling tunnel of light before landing softly on lush, green grass. Timmy looked around in wonder. He found himself in an enchanted forest where every leaf and flower shimmered in the sunlight. Just then, a tiny glowing fairy fluttered down from above. "Welcome, Timmy. We need your help," she said. Timmy blinked in amazement and asked, "My help? What can I do?" The fairy, whose name was Sparkle, explained that the giant tree, the heart of the forest, had lost its magic fruit. "Without it, the forest will lose its colors," she exclaimed, her wings sparkling as she spoke. Determined to help, Timmy followed Sparkle deeper into the enchanted forest. She led him across glowing rivers that glimmered like diamonds and past bushes bursting with colors of the rainbow. As they journeyed, Timmy felt a sense of excitement and bravery. They soon arrived at a clearing where a sneaky squirrel was holding the shiny magic fruit in its tiny paws. Timmy approached the squirrel and said, "Mr. Squirrel, that fruit belongs to the giant tree." The squirrel giggled mischievously and replied, "I only wanted to make my home glow." Timmy thought for a moment before offering a solution. "Let's return it together. The forest needs light to shine beautifully," he suggested. The squirrel paused, considering Timmy's words. Finally, it nodded and agreed to help. Together, they carefully made their way back to the giant tree, the squirrel carrying the glittering fruit. When they reached the towering tree, Timmy gently placed the fruit back on its branches. Suddenly, the tree stirred with life. A deep, friendly voice resonated through the forest. "Thank you, Timmy. You saved our forest." The moment the fruit touched the tree, colors burst forth all around them. Pink, blue, and green sparkles filled the air as the forest transformed into a vivid wonderland. Sparkle flew around Timmy, her wings shimmering with excitement. "You are a true hero," she cheered, and Timmy felt a warm glow of happiness inside him. He had faced a challenge and made new friends. It felt wonderful to know he had helped bring the colors back to the forest. As the adventure came to an end, a portal opened once more, glowing brightly. Timmy stepped through, and with a blink, he found himself back in his room. He looked around, still in awe of what he had experienced. Was it all a dream? He wondered aloud as he glanced at his backpack. To his surprise, the backpack winked playfully. "Adventure is everywhere, if you're ready," it replied. Timmy couldn't help but smile, knowing deep down that his magical adventure was just the beginning of many more to come.